Hello guys, my name is Venkat Sai. I am currently pursuing BE in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering. Today we are discussing about human brain. Unlocking the secrets of the human brain. Our brain are complex and fascinating organs that control every aspect of our lives. Join me on a journey to discover the hidden depth of the human brain and explore the latest breakthroughs in brain research. The brain, a synopsis of cells and chemicals. Autonomy and structure. The nervous system consists of a brain, spinal cord, and a network of nerves. The brain is divided into the cerebrum, cerebellum, and brainstem. Each part has a unique structure and function. Functions of the brain. The brain controls everything from our movements to our thoughts and emotions. It interprets sensory inputs, stores memory, and coordination bodily functions. And brain development. The brain development undergoes dynamic changes from birth to adulthood. Earlier experience shapes the structure and function of the brain, implements lifelong health and well-being. Future advertisements. Advance in neuroimaging and neuromodulation technologies hold promise for future treatments of conditions like depression and dementia. Exploring the cortex, the neocortex, the largest part of the cerebral cortex, responsible for conscious thoughts, discussing, making, and language. The visual cortex, the area of the brain that processes visual information, allows us to see and interpret the world around us. The motor cortex, the part of the cortex that controls voluntary movement and coordination of the body. The somatosensory cortex, they are responsible for processing sensory information from the brain, such as touch and temperature. The limbic system and emotions. The amygdala, the fear center of the brain that processes emotions like fear, anger, and aggressions. The hippocampus, the area of the brain responsible for creating and retrieving memories. The hypothalamus, the master regulator of the autonomic nervous system, controlling things like hunger, thirst, and body temperature. The nucleus accumbens, the pressure center of the brain that is activated by rewarding stimuli like food and the brain's amazing ability to learn and adapt. Brain plasticity, the brain ability to change and reorganize itself based on new experience and learning. Neurogenesis, the production of new neurons in the brain which can occur throughout life. Haber's rule, the idea that neurons that fire together leading to form of new neurons. The mysterious science of memory and forgetting. Short-term memory, the ability to hold small amount of information in the brain for a short period of time, typically latest about 20 to 30 seconds. Long-term memory, the ability to store and retrieve information over longer periods of time, can be divided into declarative, procedure, and episodic memory. The forgetting curve, the observation that memory retention decreases over time with most forgetting accuracy within the first few hours or days after learning. Disorders of brain like neurological disorder for migraines to Alzheimer's and Parkinson's, neurological disorders can impact almost every aspect of a person's life. Earlier diagnosis and treatment make a sufficient difference. Brain tumor. Brain tumors are abnormal growth in the brain that affect people of all ages. Treatment options depend on type, location, and stage of the tumor. Strokes. Stroke occurs when blood flow of the brain is disrupted, leading to brain damage. Quickly, medicine attention is critical for reducing the risk of long-term disability or death. Challenges and opportunities in brain disorder and diseases. Alzheimer's disease, a degenerative brain disorder that affects memory, thinking, and behavior. No cure currently exists. Parkinson's disease, a neurological disorder that affects movement and causes tremors, stiffness, and balance problems. Currently, no cure, but treatment options are available. Traumatic brain injury. A injury to the brain that can occur as a result of a blow or jolt to the head can cause a variety of physical and cognitive symptoms. Protecting your brain tips for brain health. Exercise regularly. Physical exercise improves brain functions by increasing blood flow and promoting the growth of neurons. Aim for at least 30 minutes a day. Eat a healthy diet. A brain needs a healthy diet rich in whole grains, fruits and vegetables, lean proteins and healthy fats to function and at its best. Get quality sleep. Adequate sleep is essential for optimal brain function. Most adults need 7 to 9 hours sleep each night. Challenge your brain. Crosswords, puzzles, learning a new skills and socialization have all been shown to improve brain health and function. The future of brain research and development, brain-computer interface, technology that allows of direct communication between the brain and the computer, potentially revolution how we interact with technology, neural system cell, the use of stem cells to replace damaged or lost neurons in the brain, offering hope for treatment neurology disorder and injuries, artificial intelligence, machines that can perform complex tasks and learn experience with prior program providing the working of the brain and how to optimize its functions. Brain facts. Brain electrification. The brain produces enough electricity to power a small light bulb. Memory bankruptcy. When we die, our memory die with us. The music connection. The brain processes music in the same area that processes emotions, leading to a powerful connection between music and feelings. The brain has a CPU, understand how we think and process information. Sensory input. The brain receives input from the senses, which it processes and interprets to give meaning to the world around us. Memory. The brain stores information in various forms, including working memory, long-term memory, and procedural memory. Information processing. The brain processes information in parallel using both the left and right hemispheres to perform complex calculations and make sense of the world around us. Output. The brain output information in various forms including speech, movement, and other behaviors. Thank you for watching the video.